In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up email rules in Outlook. Rules help you automatically sort and manage incoming messages so your inbox stays organized without constant manual cleanup. I'll show you two straightforward ways to create them. A quick rule directly from an email and a more flexible method in Outlook settings, including the web and the new Outlook experience. Let's start with the quick approach. With Outlook open, find a message in your inbox that you want to base the rule on. Right, click that email. In classic desktop Outlook, choose Rules and then Create Rule. In newer versions, you may see more options, then Create Rule. A small window will appear where you can choose a condition, such as from this sender, or another available option shown for that message. Next, choose what you want Outlook to do with matching emails. A common action is move the item to folder. Select the destination folder. This can be an existing folder, or you can create a new one on the spot if the dialog provides that option. When you are ready, click OK. If you want Outlook to tidy up your current inbox right away, check the box to run the rule now on existing messages. Then click OK again. This method is perfect for quick, simple filtering based on a specific sender or subject pattern that's already in your inbox. Now, let's look at creating rules from settings, which is available on the web and in the new Outlook. Click the settings gear icon. Go to Mail, then Rules, and choose Add New Rule. Give your rule a clear name, like Weekly Reports, so it's easy to recognize later. Select Add a Condition and choose what should trigger the rule, such as From or Subject Includes. Then fill in the details. Next, select Add an Action. You might choose Move to Folder to file those emails automatically or Mark as Read to keep notifications down. Pick the target folder for the action. If you need to fine-tune the rule, you can add exceptions, for example. Skip the rule if the subject contains a particular phrase. You can also choose Stop Processing More Rules. This tells Outlook to stop checking later rules once this rule matches, which helps avoid conflicts when multiple rules could apply. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Thanks for watching.